Hi there, this is Greg over at Camper's Life. You know, usually I'm not doing harsh reviews of businesses, drama, or anything like that on our channel. I like to try to keep our channel upbeat and everything like that. But this morning, I had to run into a Quartzsite to the local, well, let's call it a hardware store, the Big Market. I was looking for this Henry's Tropicoat Cool, which a previous owner of our trailer applied to it. So I'm going to have to continue using that product on my roof. I'm doing some work on it. And I get there and it is like, 8:06. So it's first thing in the morning. Go walking in. There is a cashier, the owner, and somebody doing some merchandise setup, doing display work. None of them even looked up to acknowledge my existence as I walked in the door. From previous experience in working in hardware stores, and just using hardware stores in general, I have a semi idea where stuff should be. Now that hardware store, throw that all out the window, because you got bolts and hardware next to the liquor aisle, and yeah, they also sell liquor too. Then you got bolts and nuts on this one spot over in the back. But then again, there's bolts and nuts like 3 aisles away. It's all messed up. But I digress. Let's get back to the story. So I am sitting there. We're coming to California, the agriculture station. I'm in there. I'm looking for that top coat. Well, I go around the corner. Boom! There's roofing stuff and everything like that. I look, and I do not see any of the product that I'm looking for. So I head out. I walk right past the owner, cashier, and again, the person who was doing the display setup. Not a single one of them looked up and acknowledged my existence again. Not even to say, did you find what you found? Or when I walked in, say, hi, welcome. Is there anything I can help you find today? For a little store, hardware store, not to even acknowledge your existence, that is pathetic. Like I said, I worked in hardware stores in the past, and that it goes a big way. You might not have the product, but at least you said, hey, can I help you? Is there something I can do for you? Can I get it for you? I'll order it for you. Now, I wasn't going to have anybody order anything, but go above and beyond. Yes, you're a little store in a little town that becomes almost a ghost town during the summertime. But during your profit time, your profit months, get a little pep in your salesmanship. And like I did explain to you on the phone, because I did call them, I will not do business with them again. I will drive to Yuma, which is the different direction. I'm going to Blythe right now, or I'll go to Parker, Phoenix, Lake Havasu, somewhere else, but I won't go to them again. Unfortunately, this was not the first time, but it is the last time. My rant's over. My projects I'm doing is I got to do some seal work to the roof. They didn't get all of it sealed up, and I also changed out a refrigerator vent that was in disrepair. I got that going on, but my major one is I'm doing solar, so that's why I really need all this top coat stuff, so I can repair, or not repair, but patch and prevent any more leaks after I do all my solar panel installs and drilling holes into the roof. So thank you for listening to my rant about the local hardware store, Big Market in Quartzsite, Arizona.